Hi, welcome back to Triple R Backyard Grilling. In today's video, we're going to be doing grilled pork chops with skewered Brussels sprouts and bacon. Now let's go inside and get things started. Alright, we're back inside in the Triple R kitchen. So for today's ingredients, we have our pork chops, our Brussels sprouts with our thick cut sliced bacon. I'm going to add SPG to the pork chops. Just want to salt and pepper them, not too heavy. Get that going. Add a little bit of the dry rub seasoning on there. Got that. Now, as you can see, we have our Brussels sprouts and our bacon already on skewers. We have one more to do, so we'll just go ahead and get this last one on. Got the bacon. And I just alternate with the Brussels sprouts. Right there, Brussels sprout, and you just do that. Normally I put about 6 halves, and that's what I like to end up. What I'm going to do is to cut the Brussels sprouts in half. Makes it a little bit easier on the skewer. On there. And the last piece on top of there. Alright, there we have it. Now we're ready for the grill. Alright, here we are. We're outside. We're at the grill. The grill right now is about 300. We're shooting for about 350. We want to get these skewers on first, so that way the pork chops and the skewers will be done at the same time. So I'm gonna go ahead and just lay them on the grill. And we'll leave them like that. We'll check on them here in about 5 to 6 minutes, and probably just give them a flip around. All right, see you back inside. All right, we got our pork chops. Moving my skewers up on top, so they're about almost ready. Gonna get these on there. Should be ready in about I'd say about 10 minutes. Got them on the grill. We'll come back and check on them. See you guys here in just a bit. All right, we're back inside. We got the pork chops off the grill. Got the skewers of the Brussels sprouts with the bacon. We already got a couple of them plated up for you guys. I'm going to give it a taste test and see how it tastes. Gotta say, that's a damn good pork chop. Now I'm going to try the bacon with the Brussels sprout. Bacon is crispy. Brussels sprout, soft, tender. Has a little bit of a char on it. Tastes great. Just want to let you guys know, from the Triple R family, want to tell you guys happy Easter. And you know what? Don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys next round.